Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Manjunath A. Yadwad, Selection Grade Lecturer, Tipu Shahid Institute of Technology, Hubballi.
Today let us see how to start the Solid Edge V20 software. Okay, first click on the desktop Solid Edge V20. So your Solid Edge screen is opened. Here you can find the menu bar, file, tools, application, manage, help, etc. So in this box you find the create, what we need to create solid part. So click on the solid part. So here your sketch area, that is a drawing area, appears, and here you can find the main menu bar. Here either different tools are there, that is directly you can click on the icons or the tools which we need. With the help of this we can prepare the profile of the given drawing. So let us see first. So what are the different tools here? You can first you take uh, revolved protrusion. So revolved protrusion, click here, then select, this is the front plane, this is the top plane, and this is a side plane. So click any one plane, say front plane. Okay. So here you will find again the number of tools. This is the draw tools. Okay. Here you see this is the draw tools. So the same draw tools, using these draw tools, you can create any profile of the given drawing. For example, line. So here to start with a line, click here on the icon. Okay. So click the first point on this screen, anywhere on this screen. So I will click the first point. Okay. Then it will ask the length. What is the length of the drawing we need to draw? Say for example it is 100 mm. So it is always in terms of 100 mm. Then enter 2 times. Okay, again by using the same line command we are drawing one more line. Here, click here. So either you can give the dimensions, numerical values, or just you can drag the mouse. So I will drag the mouse and take this line. I will draw this line. So I will complete this rectangle by using the line command. The next one is, here the point is there, so you can place a point. Okay. Next, freehand sketch is there. This is a freehand sketch. So to delete this, take this selected tool, click on this, then click on the deleted, which part is to be deleted, just enter or delete. So either you can select this tool and select particular lines to be deleted. Then say right click, then cut. Okay. Similarly, you can delete this one, cut. Left click, right click, then cut. Left click, right click, cut. Okay. So you can delete like this the drawn lines which we don't need. Either you can zoom and take this zoom area, then delete. Okay. So the next command, that is the circle. So circle by center. So click on this tool from the draw menu. Draw the, here you can see the diameter of the circle or radius of the circle. So with this, you just click on the drawing area, then the required diameter of the circle can be drawn. Say for example, if we want to draw 100 mm diameter, give the diameter 100. You first click here, then say it is 100. Take the circle, circle by center, click here and drag the mouse, or else you can give the numeric value 100. Diameter, okay. So this is by center point. Now circle by 3 point, first point, second point and the third point. Okay, I will delete this. Then there are different options in the circle command. Center by 3 point, tangent circle. Tangent circle means just one more circle is here. One more circle is here. So we need to draw the tangent circle. Tangent circle, this one to this. So the tangent circle is drawn. Similarly, ellipse by 3 point. Ellipse by 3 point means just you can select this, ellipse by 3 points. Next one is ellipse by center. So select any center here, then it will ask the primary and secondary and angle here. Primary, secondary and angle. You can give the values also. So you can just simply drag, you'll get the ellipse. Suppose if we don't want all this, select this tool, select this area, enter. This one is delete. Okay. This is circle by different methods. Okay. So this will be all commands are not necessarily required to be used in one place. You may use in different places by opting different conditions. So next one is arc. Here arc icon, arc tool. This is the arc by 3 points. Click here. So this is first point, second point, third point. Click anywhere on the screen. So you'll get the first point, second point, and the third point. First, second, and third point. You can give either radius 20, enter. So this is the arc. So to delete this, enter this, cut, cut, cut. Okay. Next one is the rectangle. So how to draw rectangles? So anywhere on the screen, just by giving the dimension like width and height of the rectangle and also angle, you can draw a rectangle. So we'll see how to draw the rectangle using this rectangle. Click on the rectangle. So click anywhere on the screen, first point. Then here the width it is asking. So give 50 mm. Enter. Again 50 mm. So once again you click here and click the rectangle. Then click anywhere on the screen. So this is first point, the second point. So with this also dragging also you can draw the rectangle, or else you can give the what you need the width. Say for example this is a rectangle, width is 50, numerical is off. Number lock is there, so you clear it. So 50 you give width, enter. Again you give 50, enter. So angle is 0. You can just place this anywhere on the screen. So you can check here the rectangle is of 50 mm diameter. So this is also 50 mm diameter. Okay. So this is about the rectangle. Just by giving the dimension of a width and height and placing this rectangle in what angle? So this is at a 0 angle now. So we are placing this rectangle at a 0 angle, so this appears like this. So how to save this created profiles? So to create any profile, we need drawing. So first we have to draw the profile of the particular drawing to make it protrusion and revolved protrusion. So we have already drawn this here. So how to save here? So you go for click the file, then save, then save. Okay. So here you can save by creating the folder of your own name and the file name, then you save it here. So the drawn profile will be saved in a particular folder and the file name. So there are different options: save all, then print. Okay. So in the main menu, this is a file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, inspect, application, window, help. So this is the main menu bar. So under this menu bar, you can go for the different toolboxes also. So here readily available toolbox is available. Just by clicking that, you can draw a particular profile. So the profile may be any sketch that can be drawn with the help of different entities like different lines, circles, arc. It may be a combination of anything, but it is a combination of all such entities. So using those entities, you can create a profile, required profile. So in the next session, we will see how the different commands will work out and how the commands will work. So in order to give the dimension here, you have to check with the dimension, smart dimension. So give the dimension for this line. So the 50 length is drawn. So I will explain once again the rectangle here. Rectangle, you just here it will ask the width. What is the width? What should be the width, height, and angle? So width I will change now. Dimension, say about 90. Okay. Enter. Even this one is 80. Enter. Then angle is 0. Then once again enter. So your required rectangle is drawn with the given dimension: width 90, height 80, and angle is 0. You can just check it here. Click here on the smart dimension. So check here, it is 90. So this one is 80. Okay, this is placed in 0 angle. If we want to place it in 45 degree, 30 degree, you can change the angles as per the requirement in the drawing. Let us draw some simple sketches. So I will draw a line like this. I will draw like this. So I will put one boundary line. This is a boundary line. So let us see how the extend command will work. So extend command means in solid edge, whenever we draw profiles in some areas of drawing, we need to extend the line in order to close the profile. In such cases, we need to extend from draw toolbar. So let us see how this command will work. So from the draw toolbar, here click on the extend to next. Okay, next. So this is our original sketch. So we need to extend these lines, this and this lines up to here. So click on this line. So this line is extended. Click on this, it is extended. Okay. Similarly, if you draw one more line from here, so I need to extend this up to here. So again, extend, go to extend, click on this, it is extended. Next command is trim. So what exactly the trim? In profile, overlapping of lines, circles and any other shapes of drawing is to be removed. We have to use the trim command. So by using the trim command, unwanted lines, circles or any other shape from the drawing can be removed. So to demonstrate this, click on this trim command. So when you click on this trim command, so from this sketch, suppose I don't want this line, and this is small line. So click on this trim command, select on the elements to trim. So just drag the mouse, okay, drag the mouse on the lines to be removed. So the unwanted or the extra lines are removed. I will show one more drawing like this. So this is a shaded area of the two lines. So these two lines of the circles are overlapped, that is shown by this hatching. Suppose if you want to remove this, the overlapped area, so just go to trim, then select in the space where the crossings are done. So here just it will remove the overlapped area, that is the shaded area is removed. Next command is offset. So offset command, what is exactly the offset command? Offset command is used to draw the parallel lines to the existing or the selected elements at a certain distance. So whenever once in drawing, suppose if the line is there, if this line is to be offsetted at a certain distance, to make the demonstration of this, so we are selecting the command from the draw toolbar. Here the offset is here. So click on this. So click on the element to offset, means this you have to select. So here it will ask the distance, what distance is to be given. Say it is a 20, you can type 20 or 30, whatever may be the distance required in your drawing. Then select this tick mark. Then here it will display the arrow mark on which side offset is required. If it is downward, so the offsetted distance will be at 30 mm from this downward mark. So click on this. Here it is displaying. So here if you want this side, it will display on this side. So by default it is taken as 20. You can give the distance 30, 40, whatever may be the distance in your drawing. Say for example, if you want to demonstrate the offset again at a distance of 25, okay, so select this offset. So by default it is showing 20. You can change it to the 30, for example, 30. Select on this, click here. Now 30 it is displaying. Give the right mark. Then your drawing will be offsetted at 30. So by default it is taking, you have to change it to somewhere 60, 30, whatever may be in the drawing it is required. So select this tool to clear the screen, delete. So let's delete this also, cut this, cut, so that your screen is cleared. So this is the offset distance. So let me show it once again. This line is there. So click the offset command, click on this, give the dimension 35, click here. So right side of this it is showing again 20 by default. So it is selected as 20 only. So now it is displaying 60 mm at a distance of 60 mm. We have selected 60 mm. So it is giving 60 mm. Now let us change 40. Select this. So once you chosen the dimension, that will be taken as default. So in the next cycle you have to give the other numerical values. So like this offset is executed. Okay. So this is how the demonstration of offset command is completed.